crazy. So how are you liking like being a creator on Instagram as opposed to YouTube? Like how is it different? Do you like one more than the other, or is there like pros and cons of both?
When I was really in the YouTube swing of things, it was like 2010, 2011, 2012. And YouTube was kind of just a totally different entity back then. Much more community driven, much more, you know, I liked it more back then. A lot of people from that era would probably say the same.
Yeah.
But it was a lot of work, man, maintaining my style of videos. Like I'm sure you remember, like it was just a lot packed into like 1.5, 2 minutes, and it took time. It took like an entire weekend. Like I didn't have a social life. I didn't go out. Like those were my high school weekends. So I took like a hiatus from the internet, content creation for a few years. Tried to find my style on and off. And, you know, so when I landed on this, like Instagram/Facebook, short form comedic animations, they may seem just meaningless and dumb, but through the comments and messages that I'm reading, it's like really speaking to people. And I guess that's only because they're so dumb, messages are so dumb, people can apply their own context, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes it's about like, it's really like you know, speaking to them about what's going on in their lives in that moment. I honestly, man, like if I'm being real with myself, I would say I'm in love with this community and this form of content creation right now, like Facebook and Instagram. Not dissing YouTube, but there was just so much more work that I had to put in to my YouTube game, and I don't know. I mean, I didn't really. I never went viral. Is the thing. I never went viral. I never got a crazy amount of views doing what I did. That's not to say it was like what I was doing was bad, but like these are the first times I'm going viral, and it's not like I'm posting gross, like grotesque, you know, shock value type things in hopes of going viral. Like these things are going viral because it really motivates people, or it really makes people laugh, or it really makes people think, and that's like amazing. That's an amazing feeling. I'm feeling like a new age philosopher. So yeah, I mean, to answer your question, I honestly think I like what's going on now a little more. Yeah. Back in YouTube days, I had people kind of like just being like, "Oh, that was good." Like,
yeah,
good job. But now I have really touching messages. Like, man, like I'm not gonna lie, it's like some of these messages are like making me teary-eyed about me making people feel better as their like dad's in the hospital or some shit, and you're like, wow, like wow, that's amazing. Like, you know?
Yeah. That's always super dope. I really like what you're doing now. I mean, I've always liked what you've done. I think you're a creative dude. You got a lot of talent, and it's pretty crazy to have watched you go from like, cause like this started in June, you said?
Yeah, June, halfway through June.
So you've gone from like 5K followers to 200K in like 6 months. That's crazy.
Yeah, man, it's moving quick, but you know, I like things moving quick. Like I said, like it would be a different thing if like I wasn't like touching people emotionally. It would just be like senseless BS, but like since there is that emotional chord being struck, like it inspires me to make more and keep going. You know, I don't really have like, I have a plan for 2018, but you know, it's really like me just testing, like, you know, like I was saying before the call, like experimenting and all that, and just seeing what works.
I feel that.
It's exciting.
It definitely is.